What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'll be giving you guys another update on Hoppy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so if you look at the crypto market, I'm going to say the exact same thing that I've been saying for about the last 2 weeks. It's still very indecisive. Bitcoin is currently sitting around 59,300. And if you look at the meme coin market, over the last 7 days, most of them have gotten destroyed. But that's also because Bitcoin had pumped up to around 61,000, but then got rejected. And if you look at Bitcoin right now, we are still very indecisive. Again, we are trading in the middle of the 200-day moving average and the 21-day moving average. Now, this is the 1-hour time frame, so by the time you guys are watching this video, it will have already changed. But what I am personally watching at the moment is whether or not the 200-day breaks or the 21-day breaks. That is going to give us a much better idea of the direction that Bitcoin is going to be heading in the short term. And I've also pointed this out in my last several videos, but I think it's very important to look at the larger time frames. So this right here is the 10-day time frame, because so many people are getting caught up on what is happening on a day-to-day time frame that they lose sight of the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is that on the 10-day time frame for Bitcoin, we are basically trading in a massive bull flag or a falling wedge, which either way break up 68% of the time. And if this pattern were to break out, it would have a measured move up to around $120,000. Now, is that guaranteed to play out? No, it's not. And there's also a great chance that that 97,000, 100,000 range would be heavy resistance. But on the 10-day time frame, the stochastics and RSI both look like they're ready for a leg up, and there is Class C bullish divergence. It is very rare to have a bullish divergence on this large of a time frame. So just understand that there is a great chance that Bitcoin is absolutely flying by October or November. And at that point, you will wish that you had accumulated a lot of your high conviction plays. Now, I also quickly want to show you this. Watcher Guru posted 5 hours ago. Dubai officially approves Bitcoin and crypto for salary payments. And this just goes to show you that crypto is clearly not going anywhere. It is 100% here to stay. And then the other important thing is August 14th, US inflation falls to 2.9%, lower than expectations. And this is huge just because it usually leads to rate cuts. And when you have lower interest rates, it usually means that risk-on assets are going to thrive. And Bitcoin is classed as a risk-on asset. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at Hoppy. And Hoppy is currently sitting here at a $17.2 million market cap. Now, what I would like to point out for Hoppy is that we are technically still holding a higher low, which is very nice to see. We had that initial bounce up from around a $14.3 million market cap to around a $31 million market cap. We doubled in like 2 or 3 days. And again, now we are holding a higher low. Now, I will also say, though, that there's no guarantee that this actually holds because I think it's heavily going to be correlated to Bitcoin. And again, that all stems from the 1-hour time frame. So if Bitcoin can break above the 200-day moving average, then Hoppy could be a lot more bullish in the short term. But if you look at the Hoppy X account, they are still growing consistently. They're up to about 22.6 thousand followers. And they post on here pretty much every single day. For example, they posted 6 hours ago. Nothing can stop us. And then they also posted 9 hours ago. And this is exactly what you want to see from a meme coin, because at the end of the day, community is everything. Because community is what is going to build hype around a project, and hype is what is going to drive price action. But at the end of the day, just make sure you guys have perspective. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I posted a buy alert on April 21st at a $580,000 market cap for Hoppy. And at Hoppy's peak, it ran up to around an $87 million market cap, which is around a 150x. But even right now, Hoppy is still holding a $17.3 million market cap, which are fantastic gains. So even if you look at the larger time frames for Hoppy, a lot of people are going to say, oh, we're completely in a downtrend. And yes, we are. However, pullbacks are going to happen in a project. But what would be really nice to see for Hoppy is a potential double bottom here, or for us to put in a new local high. That would show that we might be in for another uptrend. But now I would actually like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. You guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we've been making some huge gains in here. For example, I told you Hoppy was posted at a $580,000 market cap. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Hoppy will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.